how's it going? So we've got another cool horn to unbox today. So as you can see, I got my Leslie shirt on, so it's a Leslie horn that we're unboxing. A pretty cool one though. Pretty rare one, I guess you might say. So let's get it popped open. This just got dropped off. Actually, I've been working on trying to buy this horn for, shoot, I don't know, a couple months, kind of going back and forth with the person I bought it from, trying to work a deal out because these are pretty expensive horns. So anyway, this is what we've got. Go ahead and pull this packing out. Over here. Okay, now, looks like everything's all individually wrapped. So we have this bell, and I'll tell you what, it looks pretty easy to get into, so we'll see about just pulling it open on camera. We've got, it's green. As you can see here, this is a two-piece welded bell. There we go. So, two-piece welded 31. Pretty cool. Of course, it's a square. All your welded stuff is squares. Next, we have this one, which looks to be the 25. And I'll pop it on open. Bear with me. Usually do this off camera, but this looks to be pretty easy to pop open. So as you can see, this is a welded 25, two-piece 25. So I really do like the welded bells. They look pretty good. I'll just leave that on there. I'll pull that off here in just a minute. Next, we have our manifold. It's going to be a diamond manifold, of course. That's your older style manifolds. Next, we're going to have the 44 that's in here. I'll unwrap that here in a minute off camera. And then we have, of course, our power chambers. These are bronze tabbies. So this is an early 50s horn, being welded bells with bronze tabbies. And then, of course, some hardware and a couple gaskets. So, I think that's it. I will get this unwrapped, put together, and we'll be right back to check it out. Alright guys, so here it is. So this is the 1953 S3L. This is it assembled. Looks pretty good. Of course it is repainted. This is not original paint, but the paint color looks good with these tabbies. So it does have the welded 31, the welded 25, and then this 44 is one of the really old. It's almost a 440, but it has the extended square, but just 44. So anyway, y'all be looking out for this. I'll try to have this up shortly, as well as maybe my two chimes. I know I've had a lot of people asking for like an S2A and S2M, so I do have those. So I'll try to have those up too. So I appreciate it, guys. We'll see you on the next one.